अच्छा, मेरा जो my concern is from the universities, why are we mushrooming uh, MBA programs? I'm sorry, I'm using your channel to actually make my
No, no,
voice
no,
heard.
no, no, no.
But the
Go
problem
ahead,
is
sir.
that our parents actually they invest in our education,
Yeah.
and the most you know the most flashy and the most catchy qualification these days in trend is MBA. But my question is, what good is an MBA on its own merit? I am a
Yes.
career counselor. I have invested 16 plus years in only HR, and I know careers. I've made CVs for high class professionals, which are CEOs, CFOs, like they're top people. I have seen careers from the very, I'm a very keen learner in that area, and I've seen it very keenly. Most of the times, MBA even isn't there. Most of the times. So why are we investing so much country resources on MBAs? That's my question. The problem is that we are investing in the wrong direction, because of which
Yeah.
we are in a vicious circle. We are in a vicious circle. And now what happens is that when you have actually invested in BBA, now if he's not getting a job or she is not getting a job, parent says that yaar maine itna kar liya, to hum masters bhi kar lo. So
Yeah.
they register them in masters, and this masters again it doesn't lead anywhere. So this person, he or she pushes their parent to actually invest further, and now they are going to continue on a PhD or maybe
Yeah.
a post graduate program. And what happens is that this person, without having any knowledge of the industry, without having any exposure, they are
Yeah.
now
That's the
in
problem.
in the business of teaching, and
Yeah.
these people are teaching you, me, and everyone else, and the vicious circle actually continues.
I generally
That's
discuss
what we
this
heard.
problem in our circle is that I give advice to them. Okay, do not go for any master's program after your graduation until unless you're not on job.
Agreed,
Do
agreed.
spend some
Can't
time in
agree more on that.
organization. Do spend some time in
Absolutely.
organization, and after that decide that if there's a need of the master's degree or not, and you want to do some specialization or certification, then after that you have to decide it. Again, problem is that क्या कर रहे हो, कुछ नहीं कर रहे, कुछ नहीं है, move for the master's program, फिर भी कुछ नहीं है, go for the MPhil, कुछ नहीं है,
अरे
फिर
बाबा,
PhD.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली, कुछ नहीं है तो कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है ना, आप बेसिकली परसिस्ट ही नहीं कर रहे, आप
Yeah.
मार्केट में जा ही नहीं रहे, आप जो है वो डोर्स खटखटा ही नहीं रहे। मेरे एक दोस्त हैं, इनका नाम है फहद हसन खान बंगश, और फहद
अच्छा.
जो है वो मेरे जूनियर थे बहरिया में। अच्छा, फहद ने इतनी इंटरेस्टिंग हरकत की, उसकी जॉब जो है वो एक जगह से खत्म हुई, तो उसने क्या किया, उसने अपनी सीवी प्रिंट की, कोई तकरीबन 100 के करीब खद्दा पूरा प्रिंट किया उसने, उसके वो बनाया
Seriously.
उसने जी, 100 सीरीज उसने जो है वो अपनी बनाई, और उसने बिल्कुल जो है बगैर शर्म किए हुए, ही वेंट इन फ्रॉम ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस टू ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, डोर टू डोर, एंड ही एक्चुअली he got a job from that,
From where?
from this
From.
activity। बहुत सीरीज ड्रॉप की और उसके अंदर से उसकी जॉब्स, 3 जॉब्स उसको
That's
interview
mashallah.
मिला। और उसके बाद मैं आपको बताऊं, अभी वो अपना सफर करते करते कहाँ बैठा है। जब आप प्रोडक्टिव होते हैं तो यही होता है। वो पहले जो है वो हबीब ऑयल मिल्स में गया, हबीब ऑयल मिल्स से
That's
वो
great.
पाकिस्तान में 3M पाकिस्तान में गया, और अब वो 3M अमेरिका में बैठा हुआ है, वहां का रीजनल को
That's
हेड कर रहा है।
great, mashallah.
ठीक है,
But
तो जब
again,
लोग जो है वो, हाँ ठीक,
yeah, yes, please. Here's the problem: is that no one wants to leave the comfort zone, and we do believe that now we have a concept of the email. Just drop in an email, and after that we are
भाई
going to get us some hi-fi job.
मैं जब HR में आया, तो मैं उस वक्त ऑलरेडी जिस जगह पे मैं जॉब कर रहा था, I was actually earning 15,000 at that time in 2004. 2004 में 15,000 का मतलब होता था इस वक्त का कम से कम 40 लाख.
That's great.
ठीक है ना, वो इन्फ्लेशन की वजह से मैं वो
जी
बता रहा
जी
हूँ कि
जी जी.
मतलब
At
हमारी
that
जो
time
है
for
मतलब
dollar भी 60 से नीचे था, I think.
60 के करीब ही था, कुछ इसी तरह से था. अच्छा, what I'm telling you is that once I was offered a career, I knew that I might be able to get. First of all, the thing was that the manager, Mr. Amir Beg, he was the manager at that time, and he is still my mentor. I actually consider him my mentor. He is my all-time mentor. So Amir Saab inspired me so much that I left those 15,000 rupees and I came at half the salary, 8,000 rupees.
Serious?
And I started, yes, I crashed my career, comfort zone. And, one of the few things that I had to do earlier was that I was BBA and I had a counterpart who was a bachelor's, but, and he was a very, experienced, seasoned person. मैं बीबीए करके आया हूँ, मेरा एक एटीट्यूड होना चाहिए आजकल के दौर के हिसाब से, राइट? आपको पता है, आई हैड सच अ वंडरफुल टाइम विद फुजैल साहब. Like, once this gets on air, he will also be watching and he'll be vouching for this as well. He was almost 15 years, 20 years senior than me, and we were at the same level. I started beneath him, junior, and after a while I headed him. But we had such a wonderful relationship. Even today, we enjoy that relationship. He is my elder brother, but I actually manage him. So it happens. You have to crash your comfort zone. You have to go out. You have to